Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our fun from the 25th to 29th of May 2026 on Monday. The season opens with a flash forward of Sabelo being chased in Johannesburg before cutting back 3 weeks earlier. During Gumede's Ujikjila ritual, Sabelo is overwhelmed by traumatic memories and suffers a mental breakdown. Ntombi is also shown struggling financially without Gumede and even tried to borrow money from Usta on Tuesday. Sabelo wakes up with his mind reset to the past, believing Maduma is still alive and that recent events have not happened. He attacked Xoli after the call. She calls him crazy, and Goku Gumede calls Lamuga for spiritual help. Ntombi discovered that Gumede had a life cover on Wednesday. Lamuga explained that Sabelo is not bewitched. He needs the grounding of his mental family, the Dumas, but Tembi refuses to contact them because she sees them as strangers. Ntombi meets the broker and learns Gumede's policy is worth 2 million rand, but her excitement is crushed when she discovers she is not a beneficiary on Thursday. Sabelo's condition worsened and the doctor advises that he be admitted for psychiatric observation while Tebe refuses. Ntombi spiral emotional over Gumede, excluding her from the police, while Nomasara pushes her to fight for the money. Mangubane and Xoli still Tembi's phone and Tembi's card declined at the doctor on Friday. Tembi discovers that her account have been frozen. All her assets have been seized because she missed court proceeding. Desperate to protect Sabelo from triggers, she sedate him and remove Gumede's tombstone. Ntombi arrives in Ngozi demanding Gumede's money, but she and the Gumede women are shocked to find the gravel flattened. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.